Welcome to our class. This is Courttestimony. What is a court? Court, it is a governmental body officially assembled under authority of law at the appropriate time and place for the administration of justice through which the state enforces its sovereign rights and powers. Another definition, it is a board or tribunal which decides a litigation or contest. What is a judge? A judge is simply an officer of such tribunal. What is now the difference between a judge and a court? Number 1. A court is a tribunal officially assembled under authority of law. A judge is simply an officer of such tribunal. Number 2. A court is an organ of the government with a personality separate and distinct from the person or judge who sits on it. Number 3. A court is a being in imagination comparable to a corporation, whereas a judge is a physical person. Number 4. A court may be considered an office. A judge is a public officer. And number 5. The circumstances of the court are not affected by the circumstances that would affect the judge. Question now, how many justices are there in the Supreme Court? Pursuant to the provisions of the 1987 Constitution, the Supreme Court is composed of a Chief Justice and 14 Associate Justices who serve until the age of 70. The Court may sit en banc or in one of its 3 divisions composed of 5 members each. What is our court system in the Philippines? The highest court is the Supreme Court, which composed of 14 Associate Justices and 1 Chief Justice, which is a total of 15 justices. Next to it is the Court of Appeals, the Sandigan Bayan, and Court of Tax Appeals. Under the Court of Appeals, we have the Regional Trial Courts and the Sharia District Courts. Under the Regional Trial Courts, we have the Metropolitan Trial Courts, Municipal Trial Courts in cities, Municipal Trial Courts, Municipal Circuit Trial Courts. Under the Sharia District Courts, we have the Sharia Circuit Courts. Here is the explanation. For example, if you lose in the MTC, where are you going to appeal? Answer: you can appeal to the Regional Trial Court or the RTC. How about if you lose in the Regional Trial Court? Where are you going to appeal? Answer: you can appeal to the Court of Appeals. How about if you lose in the Court of Appeals? Where are you going to appeal? Answer: you can appeal to the Supreme Court. Let us discuss about the Sharia Circuit Courts. What is Sharia Circuit Courts? Sharia courts in the Philippines has jurisdiction over Muslim majority Bangsamoro as well as other parts of Mindanao outside the autonomous region. Do you know the principle of judicial hierarchy? principle of judicial hierarchy. This is an ordained sequence of recourse to courts vested with concurrent jurisdiction, beginning from the lowest on to the next highest, and ultimately to the highest. This hierarchy is determinative of the venue of appeals and is likewise determinative of the proper forum for petitions for extraordinary writs. If you have any suggestions or questions, just comment below and we will discuss it next time. Thank you for watching.